Hi, welcome to my third YouTube channel, and I am so excited today because this is probably going to be shorter, but I'm happy to share um, I, some of the tools or toys, as I call them, that I use to try to um, cook healthier. It's important, just like it's just as important of how we cook what we eat as what we eat often. Just like if you went out and bought a piece of great meat and some great veggies, but you deep fried them, it's just not going to be healthy like it would with other cooking methods. So today I wanted to share some of the cooking methods that I use, and I would bet a lot of people have not seen at least one of these, so it's pretty exciting. But I'm going to save that one for last. I'm only showing a couple today, so this will be quick, and I thought next week or sometime I can do a couple more that I use, but it's just fun to share. But one of the items that I like to use, because like I said, I don't want to be deep frying food or frying food. And there's so many with the tools that are out now, you can totally cook healthy and make it fun too, and make it different, so it's not the same thing all the time, the way you're cooking or how you're doing it. And so one of the items that I let me share, so sorry, my table's covered up for the winter, but the I don't know if you can see this. This is the Chefman indoor grill, and this grill is amazing. I can cook my veggies on here. I've sliced my zucchini, put a little olive oil, a little bit, and some seasoning, and grilled that on there along with my meat and salmon thus far, and my turkey burgers the other day. I do love beef, but once in a while I like to switch it up. And so, yes, the Chefman, I believe they sell it at Walmart. I did get it on Amazon. Again, I'm not whatever affiliated or any of that yet, but I just still wanted to share. And this has, like I said, three settings. There's a high sear mode, so you can sear stuff. So hopefully, yeah, this is coming through. Sorry, I should have done this different. But and then the other item this week that I wanted to share. Oh, and I also, when I did my salmon recently, I grilled my asparagus on here. It leaves nice sear marks too, and it really does taste. And the nice thing about this that I forgot to share real quick, it has this tray that comes out, and you put water in it. So it's an indoor grill that is smokeless, and you put the water in it, and that helps absorb the smoke, and it adds to the moisture, and it just comes all the way out. And the cord's in there right now, but there are dishwasher safe on the top rack, and this comes off. So there you go, very easy to clean up and quick and easy, and indoor grilling. And then this other item is one that I was like, I doubt that people have seen this, a lot of people, and I've had this now for a couple years at least, and it's called the GoSun Fusion. It's a solar oven, so it's really fun because it takes no electricity or fuels of any sort, and it works awesome. And the nice thing about it is it has legs that pop out. I should have had that set up. And then you just kind of adjust it. It rotates around to follow the sundial to make sure you're in the sun. And the, let's see here, the tube comes out, and you can put, when that tube comes out, you can fill it up with different things. I bought some silicone little tiny, smaller, pretty small bread pans, like 2 or 3 fit in there. And I've made in it a bread, my keto bread, and it came out awesome. It works great, and you can even boil water in it if you want to. And so it's a great thing to have for if you were, the way things have gone lately, you never know when power could be out or whatever. And I do have solar panels and even a solar generator, but this item is, like I said, fun because in the summer you don't have to worry about heating up your home to do a lot of cooking. And same with this. This really didn't put out any heat to speak of. And even I've cooked this in the winter when the sun was out, and it worked. Even one time it was cloudy and I didn't think it would really, and it worked. Chicken wings are great in there. So I just wanted to share. Sorry for, but yeah, I wanted to share. I would also recommend, if you do, some of those parts can get hot. Like the handles on both do not get hot at all. So I bought these little gloves that are, no matter what, especially for, yeah. I have other items that I'm going to share with you another time. But on this journey, just some things I wanted to share of some fun and good ways to cook that you're not, like I said, you can, and you can grill your chicken wings, like I said, and it browns them, and it browns your meat, that solar one. But I have some more fun stuff that I do want to share also in the future soon. And like I said, I don't want to just every time talk. I would like to show you sometimes maybe go for some walks and show you, as in a good way to exercise and really enjoy. We live in a beautiful area that you can do that. You probably can't see much, but there's some hills there. It could be, and then down there, there's a lake down there. I don't know if you can see it or if it's I don't know, the sun's kind of setting over there. It's kind of bright. But so a lot of good areas. I had to hurry because I was running late. I did figure out today how to upload a short, and it took me forever, but I did. So please check that out. And it's just it's a short. So, and just good information on their fun facts about nutrition. And again, I really hope that I can get more people involved to eventually subscribe and of course like, but just to be involved. And the main thing is also just the chat, comments, leave comments so that I can know where you're at and what you're interested in, and any ideas of what you like to see for this community, and just make it more of a community experience. And eventually, when I get enough people, do a live. But yes, after I get a community built up. So please, if you know anybody interested in this sort of thing, please share so that we can do that also. But I appreciate you bearing with me while I learn this process. And I know I don't look and sound as good as, professional, whatever, as a lot of people, but I'll get there. I will. But thank you again for viewing this week and coming to my channel this week. And you guys have a wonderful, safe, wonderful week.